I pasted a Google Maps link. 30 seconds later, a complete ready-to-publish business website appeared on my screen. If you're a business owner, marketer, or web creator, this video is for you. I'll show you how an AI tool can transform a Google Maps business listing into a fully functional website in minutes using publicly available business information. No coding, no design skills, and no expensive tools. Just a simple, practical, and easy-to-follow workflow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
For this video, I will use to create website for this jewelry shop. Here you can see Vajra Silver. And first you need to visit this brilla.ai. Just click on this and copy the Google My Business name. Then search it on Google. Here you can see. Click to expand. Then simply click on this share button and click on this copy link. Then go to the AI website, paste here your link and click on this generate a website. Now wait few moment to create a website. Here you can see we need to put here our email address. So just use your Gmail or Outlook, Hotmail, any email address. Then click on this continue. Here you can see check your email. So let's open our email address. Here you can sign in to Brilla. Click on it. You can also start your 3 days free trial. And here you can see a quick notification. Feel free to close this tab. We will notify you at my email address soon. So now Brilla AI is generating our website code. Still you can see building a website is running. And here you can see our website is ready. And this is the design. And this is the clean design. And store our Google Map location and the footer. You can also click on here add to social. And you can simply edit all of these content from this option, edit content. Simply click on it. And here you can see hero section. You can edit your website content from here. Here you can see hero section, image and image title for SEO and contact detail, advantage section. Then here you can see those title, subtitle, author, etc. All of the content you can edit from here. Here you can see all the image. So you can simply edit according to your requirement or any. Here you can see all of the content are here. And for this you don't need to coding knowledge or anything. And in the settings, click on this setting. You can also export. Here you can see export HTML option. And this is the for SEO. Here you can see meta description and meta title. You can also add your custom domain. Here you can see custom domain. After add your custom domain, simply change your DNS. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐿 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.